Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BKKT for Bakkt holdings. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will of course be an update. We talk about the stock regularly on the channel, especially with this breakout day that happened on Monday, right? A little bit of consolidation on Tuesday here and follow through on Wednesday. So we have seen a nice move to the upside. We broke up and over this resistance. The next major one we have to contend with from the daily perspective is this flush point from in the past around 842. It's also the daily 50 SMA right now. I would imagine that there's a little bit of follow through higher and maybe it pulls back from there. I'm not sure how deep the pullback will be, but that seems reasonable to me given what's unfolded thus far. If we take a look at the 30-minute time frame, notice how healthy the price action has been here. Big move to the upside, consolidation, nice move to the upside, consolidation, so on and so forth. This is completely healthy price action from the buyers. It doesn't really look unsustainable to me. Now, granted, yes, this thing doesn't want to go parabolic. That would certainly be unsustainable. But for now, on the 30-minute time frame, I mean, there are these nice periods of consolidation with price acceptance higher. Let's take a quick look through the lens of Fibonacci, of course, coming in from today's low of day. There we go. Up to the first high, notice that the pullback was nowhere near the 38.2. Second high, notice that the 38.2 was never tested. We'll come in one last time from the high to the true low of day, and the 38.2 is coinciding nicely with the prior structural highs on that second bull flag. So let's remove that. We'll put that in as a level because not only was it structural from the highs, it's the 38.2. That's going to give us some scenarios to watch out for. As long as we consolidate above 713, looking for breakouts to take us higher into 842, and then potentially after that, notice that there's a lot of room to run. Maybe there's something in here. Let's go ahead and throw that on around $10 even. You can see that lower set of highs in there. That would probably be on my radar if we get the continuation move. But as I've pointed out, unless, well, here we go. I'll point this out now. If volume's not there tomorrow, if we just get another consolidation day, low volume, just kind of hanging out sideways up here, maybe the pullback's a little bit deeper, something like this, I wouldn't look for higher, obviously. And again, that's going to be if volume's anything less than about, I don't know, let's call it 2.5 million shares per 30-minute bar. If volume is higher than that, and kind of on average with these trend days that we've seen, 5 million shares per 30-minute bar, then yeah, maybe there's potential to make it up towards that 10 target during tomorrow or Friday's session. The end of the week, essentially, is what I'm getting at, right? So watch out for volume to really be the driver. If we start taking out this 660 to the downside, that's where I want to be a little bit more conservative and not say, you know what, I'm just going to buy this on the dip, quote unquote. I would need to see some sort of structural pattern unfold in here for me to start feeling confident about, you know, turning around and buying this thing. To me, that's your line in the sand. Why is that the level? Well, you can see support from in here, rallied, support from in here, rallied. If that gets taken out, I would imagine that this structure from in the past really starts to go and we could break back down closer to that floor at 380. So to me, those are the main areas to watch out for. Again, in an ideal world, it's up here, bull flag consolidation, breakout on high volume, checks out. If it's low volume, fine, a little bit looser for the consolidation. We'll see if higher volume can come in on Friday and boost us higher. If this starts selling off on aggressive volume to the downside, look out below, line in the sand is at 528. That's all I've got for you inside of Bakkt. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.